Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10, and today I'll show you how to clear credentials. So to start, open up Settings, and then go into Lock Screen and Security. Then you will need to tap on Advanced right here, and Encryptions and Credentials. And from here you have on the bottom Clear Credentials. Just tap on that and press OK. Then confirm it with your passcode if you have one set. If not, it will not ask, and you're done. And now all the credentials are gone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.